Deepak and Kelsey, you have a fun game today.
Stop.
What happened, Balavrinda? I just told her there is a fun, but it's a subject. Hare Krishna, Balavrinda. Hare Krishna, Tanvik. Hare Krishna, Tanvik. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Sabadu Vijabal.
Hare Krishna, Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Deepak and Kaushi. Hare Krishna, Mother.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Janvi.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. This is Balavrinda.
Hare Krishna, Balavrinda. Okay.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. This is Janvi. Hare Krishna, Mataji. This is Balavrinda.
Hare Krishna, Balavrinda. Okay.
See the places where we go ahead. This dress in the first time.
Okay, so let us all start. Okay, just one. Let me share my screen. Guys, can you actually see my screen?
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, you're looking cute.
Huh?
Mataji, you're looking cute. You look
Wow.
like a girl.
Thank you. Okay, let us all start. Okay, everybody, you can unmute yourself.
604.
Okay. Om Adhyana Shri Chaitanya Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Dadati Swaham Namo Vishnu Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamini Namaste Saraswati Deve Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Prabhu Nityananda Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Rama Rama,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama,
Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare,
Krishna,
Hare Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Rama Rama,
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Krishna Mataji Deepak, can I say something?
Yes, Deepak, you wanted to say something?
Yes, so can I read one book to you? It's Durva the Star Devotee.
Oh, what is that book about?
It's about a boy. So his brother, he was playing on his dad's lap.
Oh, who is that? What is that story about? Who is that story about?
About Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur. No,
Okay, we are doing Haridas Thakur. Deepak has a book about Dhruva Maharaj.
Durva.
Yes.
Star Devotee.
Who is that?
Durva the Star Devotee.
Yeah, okay, okay. Thank you, Deepak.
Also have that book, Deepak and Gaushi.
Thank you for sharing with us. Okay, so now let us. Okay, we are talking about Haridas Thakur. You know who Haridas Thakur is, right? Yes. Vrinda, do you know who Haridas Thakur is actually? Who is he? Vrinda, you want to unmute yourself? We know Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Radharani and Krishna. We know who is Nityananda.
Haridas Thakur is the incarnation of Lord Brahma Mataji.
Ah, Tanvik, thank you very much. Yes. Now that's very nice that you all remember. You should remember who is who. Okay. So then what happens now? We have seen how, you know, Haridas Thakur, how many rounds he used to chant. Mataji told yesterday. Does anybody remember?
192 rounds.
I know 100. Yes, Brinda, you raised your hand.
I think it's 9. He counts 192 rounds.
Yes, he chanted 192 rounds. Oh my God, how many of you
Mataji,
chant
he
rounds?
chants 192 rounds.
Yes, Balavrinda. All of you are absolutely correct. He used to chant so many rounds. That's why he's Namacharya, you know. So now let's see what is happening, because he is getting old, right? And he's about to leave this material world. So he's not able to chant his rounds nicely, right? You know, he's not able to do as many as he used to do. So now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is telling it's okay, but he's not happy about it. So now he's recollecting all the past times, like how Lord is always, you know, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so merciful to him. Everybody should be quiet. I don't want any noise. Okay, when you have to answer a question, you can unmute yourself. Otherwise, quiet. Okay, Tanvik, mute yourself. Okay, now let's see what happens. Now we know, like Nityananda Prabhu, and Haridas Thakur, they used to go to everybody's house, knock on their door, and they used to say what? Chant Hare Krishna. That's what they used to say, because they wanted everybody
Hare
to
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Balavrinda. Yes, so they used to go to everybody's house. Now, can anybody come and knock at our door? No, we'll just call the police, right? So that time, they used to go to everybody's house. Please chant, please chant. They used to beg. So one time, Haridas Thakur was recollecting how, he used to go with Nityananda Prabhu, and whom house did he land at? Jagai and Madhai, the two most sinful brothers. And they knocked on their door, and then they saw these brothers, how they were so sinful. They were totally drunkard, they were so uncivilized. So they were telling, please leave all these sinful activities. Please chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra with us, please. But then what did these brothers do? Instead of, politely telling them no, or, just chanting with them, they said, we should teach them a lesson. Can everybody please be on mute? I don't know. Vaishnavi, can you be on mute? Okay. So, now what happened? Instead, Jagai and Madhai, they said we should teach them a lesson, and they started chasing both Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur. And then, they started running away, because, they knew these two brothers are crazy. They will hit them. So, what they did, they started running, and then these two brothers, they also started following them. And when they were chasing like that, Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur, they hid behind the trough, that's where the horses used to drink water. And then the brothers, after some time, they could not find, so they left. So then, Haridas Thakur was just puffing and puffing. And then he told Nityananda Prabhu, oh my God, if I go out with you, one day you're going to get me killed. Because, Jagai and Madhai, they're very simple. Everybody knows in the town, that how sinful they are. But still, they wanted to give even them the mercy. Like that. So like that, Jagai and Madhai, like that, Haridas Thakur was recollecting how they used to.
Mataji, we didn't get your
It's
slide
still on the first line, Mataji.
to everyone.
Mataji, what can you see, Mataji?
Just the first slide, Mataji. We can just see the beginning.
The first line.
Should I stop sharing?
Now we can see, Mataji. We are on the Haridas Thakur slide.
Okay, so that is how, they used to go to everybody's house, and then they used to ask people to chant. So that was one of the pastime, Haridas Thakur was recollecting. Now, what happened? Also, he was thinking about another pastime. Can anybody tell what is this pastime? What is this pastime?
Jagai and Madhai.
No, there is no Jagai and Madhai in this. They already told you Jagai Madhai.
Jagai and Madhai.
Slide, Mataji. We are on the first story slide.
Mataji, did you know what? Because
Now-
Jagai and Madhai for
Now we are in the right slide, Mataji.
Okay. So I don't know why, for some reason, the slide is not changing when I'm on the full screen. Okay, I don't know. Should I just share it again, Mataji? Stop it and share again.
Yes, Mataji, it will work.
Right,
Yes, if
yeah.
you do that, it will work.
Find myself.
Now, can you see?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, so this is okay.
Yes.
Who wants to tell what this pastime is?
Mataji. Can I say? Mataji, can I say? Balavrinda say?
Balavrinda, okay. Balavrinda, go ahead. I don't want you to say the story. Just tell me what is this? What pastime is this?
Right? Be quiet. She don't know Mataji.
Okay.
Can I say Mataji?
Jahnavi, okay, Jahnavi.
It's when Haridas Thakur got herded in 22 marketplaces.
Yeah, this is the pastime where the king was not happy, right? Because he's Muslim and he's chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Nobody is happy. People are complaining about him. So then, the king ordered him to be killed, right? So he was beaten at 22 marketplaces, whipped very badly with a cane. So each marketplace, they used to just whip him so many times. But then what happened? Nothing happened to him. They say that there is a place in Singapore. Okay, it's another country. Okay, in Singapore, what they do is they still have this, they it's for as a punishment, they still hit people. Okay, they still whip them in front of others. And they say that within 3 canes, as soon as the person is hit 3 times, the person falls unconscious. But Haridas Thakur, can you imagine? So many different marketplaces, 22 marketplaces, and he was whipped so many times. But then he had special mercy of the Lord, right? Nothing happened to him. So that was another pastime he was thinking. How Lord has been so kind and merciful to him. Because he's still talking to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had come and he was seeing that Haridas Thakur has become very weak, right? So he said, now Mahaprabhu, you have been so kind to me. I just want to give my life up looking at your, moon-like face and your lotus feet. That's what he tells. So then Mahaprabhu is like, no, no, no. How is that possible? You are my very, very, dear associate. You cannot leave me. You have to be with me. You are very important to me. So hearing this, Haridas Thakur says, no, no, no. No, no, please don't say like that. I am the lowest, I'm so useless. Please don't talk like that. Please, that is my only desire. That before, I leave my body only looking at you. So like that, he tells Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So now, tomorrow, we will continue with this story. Then we will see what happens to Haridas Thakur. How, even when the devotees, they pass away, even their death is also very, very glorious. That's why, when there is some disappearance day, even we celebrate, right? Because devotees are so glorious, not only their appearance, but even their disappearance. We have to celebrate it very nicely. We should read about them. We should know about them. Okay, so now we will do one activity. Let me see. Okay, can you all see the screen?
Yes, Mataji.
What can you see? Do you see a maze? Yes, everybody
Yes,
sees a maze.
Mataji.
Okay,
Yes.
so now let me.
Mahaprabhu that, and when he reaches to the end, he's happy, and when he sees devotees.
No, this maze is like there is this devotee who lost his chanting bag. So now what you have to do? You have to help the devotee find the chanting bag. Okay? So this is a maze. He has to go through this maze and he has to find the chanting bag. Okay. So
The screen stopped.
yeah, I don't know why the screen sharing stopped. Jahnavi, you are requesting control. Jahnavi. My screen sharing stopped, Jahnavi. I don't know what happened. Suddenly my screen sharing stopped. Okay, now everybody can see the screen.
Yes,
Yes?
Mataji. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So now, you can take turns. Okay. Can you see here on my screen, there is some pen, some highlighter and eraser?
yeah.
Yes. Okay. So some of you can take turns in helping this devotee. Okay, you have to trace the path where he can go to reach the back. Okay, so you know how to play, you know how to get out of the maze, right? Have you done the maze activity before, all of you? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, how to find the path. So some
Yes,
of you
ma'am.
can raise hands and then I will give you the control. So those who are sitting on the laptop or iPad, they can do. I don't know those who are from the phone, I'm not sure. But if you're sitting on the laptop or the iPad, you should be able to do. I will give you the control. Okay.
I'm doing on iPad. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes.
Can I go?
Deepak. Okay. You
Mataji, can Balavinda go? Balavinda raised my hand. I raised my hand.
Okay, wait. I don't see Deepak. Why I don't see Deepak?
Mataji, can Balavinda go first?
Balavrinda. Okay, Vrinda. Deepak, I cannot see. Vrinda.
I don't know. I can see you and me.
Vrinda, go ahead and do. I gave you the control. Balavrinda. Where is Balavrinda?
I'm doing it on the
I'm doing it.
No, you have to select the pencil here.
Where's the pencil?
There only. Select. Select.
I want that.
Faster, Vrinda.
I know. It's not
This one,
working.
this one.
Okay.
Select one pen or anything there.
Pen is already highlighted, Mataji.
And why it is not? Maybe in the iPad it's not possible.
No, it's working. It's working.
Go back to the previous screen, Vrinda. Yeah. I can see the yellow mark actually, Mataji.
Yeah, yes, Mataji. I don't know. After that, it's not. Maybe it's gone again. Highlight is gone again. Can we go and select? No, వస్తుంది. కానీ డ్రాప్ వస్తుంది. Dark రావాలి.
It should come through.
Maybe in the dark line we need to select, Mataji.
Oh.
We are in this iPad.
Can you
Let me see.
see like
Mataji,
this?
it's coming. Now it's coming. Yeah.
Mataji is doing that. No, Mataji is doing that.
Okay,
I did
Mataji,
it.
to other kid, Mataji. Maybe they will try with the laptops.
Oh, I don't see actually. Deepak and Kaushi are asking, but I don't see them actually.
Mataji.
Yes, Janavi's.
I'm trying to do it. Deepak, why you don't see me? I'm on video.
Oh my God.
It's coming, na beta.
No. Mataji is having the yellow thing. Now can you see me, Mataji? Can I go, Mataji? Now, Mataji.
Wait,
Mataji.
I cannot see any.
Mataji, can I go? Mataji.
Nobody.
Mataji, other co-host also can give. Is there anybody co-host?
I'm not able to do Mataji. I don't know. This is not working for me. Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Indu Mataji, are you there? Can you give the control to other kid, Mataji?
Indu Mataji.
Okay, Janavi, I gave Janavi. Janavi, can you do Janavi?
No, butter one. Okay.
You cannot spend time choosing color, okay? You have to do fast.
Do I do the whole thing, Mataji?
No. I will ask somebody else. Okay, can you stop? Okay, let's.
Why did Janavi do that?
Just do little bit. Can you do little bit and stop? Let's see. Yeah.
See, Mataji, from laptop it's coming nicely, Mataji.
Stop, stop, stop. Janvi, stop.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Kaushik. Can I go?
Deepak, how did you join, Deepak?
I joined by my school laptop.
Oh, I don't see you. Okay, I see Tushita, I see Jagdish, I see Tanvik. Tanvik, you want to do? Tanvik, I gave you the control. Tanvik, you want to do?
Yes.
Okay. So where do you think to get to the back, what should you do next? Janvi did some. Do you think you can do more?
Yes.
Okay, so can you continue? I have given you the control. What did, okay. So what you have to do is see, can you see here? Pen, highlighter.
Mataji, and I can do it.
Pranav, you want to do?
Mataji, he's on the phone. Mataji can't do, I think.
Oh, he's on the phone. Oh, okay. I don't know, Mataji. It's not showing everybody's name. Vinita Mataji. It's only showing somebody's name. Okay. Pranav, you are which Bhakti Sangha Japa group? I don't know.
I can change my name, Mataji.
Can you raise your hand?
Mataji, can Balavinda do it?
Okay, I will give you Balavrinda. Wait.
I want Mataji, can you Tushita do it?
Who is that?
Tushita.
Tushita. Yeah, I will give you also. Okay. This is
Mataji, I'm the Pranav.
Pranav. I don't see. Oh my God. This is very difficult.
You have to raise your hand, God.
Yeah, Pranav. Okay. Pranav, go ahead.
You have to do only little bit, okay? Not
Mataji, how do we do it?
You choose. Okay.
Okay.
Let's-
You got
yeah.
it? Ask Mataji if that is enough.
Yeah, you can do a little bit more.
Little more.
Okay.
Go further.
Go further. Pranav, go further.
Sorry.
Okay, stop. Yeah.
Okay.
Tushita, you want to go next, Tushita?
Yes.
And then Balavrinda. Okay, wait. Tushita, wait, let me find Tushita. Okay, Tushita, go ahead. You have your mother to help you.
Yes. Everything's fine. I can see you and
I know I can see you, Deepak, but your name is not there, so I cannot choose you.
but my name's there on my laptop.
Yes.
Okay. I just know what to do. So I'll go to Patrick's and change my and delete my name, then retype my name.
Tushita, are you able to do, Tushita?
Mataji, she's trying with the, actually we are with on the iPad.
Oh, it's
Madam?
not working with the iPad, Mataji.
Yes, actually the mouse control is coming, but it's not.
Go to Mataji only review. In the review,
Go in the
ink. Can you use this pencil? Can you see the pencil here? Black
Yeah,
pen.
Yes.
Try to use that pen instead.
Hare Krishna
Okay.
Deepak, I retyped my name. Now can you see my name?
Mataji, do you have the control or you don't have the control? Wait.
I think now I have it. But it's not allowing me to select anything.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's not allowing you to select, but
It's
it
saying-
says Tushita is
Mataji,
controlling.
same thing happened with Runda also, Mataji. In iPad, it's not allowing us.
Oh,
But I joined from
Okay, Tushita, iPad से हो नहीं रहा, ठीक है बाबू?
Mataji, wait,
Did-
Mataji. Brinda, where? Mataji, Brinda joined from where? Okay. Brinda, I gave you the control.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Mataji.
Let me see. I don't know. Oh.
Okay, wait. Where is the control thing?
It's not seen, right? Yeah, control is not yet come with Mataji or came.
No, it came to Vrinda and Shama, I think so.
Mataji, did you give us Mataji? We don't see the control.
Came to me.
Is it
Didn't
Vrinda?
came to me. I
By
was just
what,
writing, but
Mataji?
it's not Vrinda, Mataji, Vrinda.
I gave. Oh my God.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. The co-host one. It's Deepak.
Why?
Mataji, Vrinda controlling is there. How many Vrindas are there, Mataji?
Only one Vrinda Mataji. I don't know why.
There's one more Vrinda.
But
That is different Vrinda. That is Vrinda and Shama Gauri. No, I gave you the control.
we only have the control, Mataji. Then why we are not able to
Let's
do
see,
anything?
let's see.
She's not choose that line and
Yeah.
It's working. Okay, let me just go here. Can't use, but she can see her name.
Yes.
So that means she can.
Go. Go, not there. You have to go from there.
Here?
No.
See. Okay, go there. No.
Wait. I will do it.
No. You have to click on the color word. You are moving.
I missed.
Mataji, select again. Select the pen. Or
Yeah, Mataji, I'm doing it.
You know it won't work if you do that.
Yeah, let's see. Now it will work. Yes. Now wait, Vrinda. You're doing wrong, Vrinda. You're wasting the time. Vrinda, you are not able to do it. Listen to me.
Do it. What are you doing?
See, like this, you need to go. Oh my God. Even for me, it's not going. Yeah, Mataji, we need to have little practice, I think, with this.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I come, Mama?
Yes, who's that?
Madhu?
Madhav. Okay, let me see. Because after this, we have the shloka, not the shloka, the songs.
Be ready. Your turn is coming. You have to draw this line.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Ready. You have to draw.
Yes.
You can't see my sister's name, but you know my sister is Kaushiki.
Yeah. Wait.
Okay.
Madhav, I don't know. I gave you the control.
Okay, Mataji. Madhav. Come.
Did you get Mataji?
Mataji, but
You have to use one of these things, Mataji.
but I'm trying to drag.
No, you don't have to do it. Mataji, choose a pen from here. You see one of the pen, just pen or anything from here, and just like you draw on a paper like that. You should try to draw. Yeah, like that.
Okay, so sorry.
Anybody else who wants to have a turn? Last turn. We are about to finish this because we have to.
Deepak, can I please go?
I know I wanted to give you Deepak, but I don't see your name, so I cannot choose you. I see only. Did Tanvik do? No, Tanvik cannot do. Jahnavi,
Mataji, another Vrinda can do. Other Vrinda is also racing.
Yeah, Vrinda, Shama Gauri, you want to do?
Yes, Mataji, they were raising the hand.
I have given them the control.
Okay, I'll do it.
So you have to choose. See, you have to choose from this pen. Just choose one and do like Mataji did. Madhav's mother.
Mataji, that's all not Mataji. There is this written pen, right? Madhav's mom did very nicely. Just to click on that pen.
Use the pen. Don't use highlighter or anything. Just use
Just
the pen.
go to the pen and click on the pen.
Yeah. Vrinda, are you doing it?
Yes.
You have to go back to
Yes.
my slide. You have to go back to my slide. Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Draw it. Yeah. Continue. We don't have. I don't know. We have to do the song and just choose the pen again. Choose a pen. Choose a pen. You see this pen? You can just choose it. Yeah. Now, where will we go out? It has to come out from here, right? Are you able to do, Vrinda, Kamagori?
No.
Pen is on the in corner, Vrinda, near the file. There is file, right? Below that, it is the pen. P-E-N. Pen is written. Click on that.
See, can you see, guys? Can you see here some pen with curves? I have kept the pointer. Can you see?
Mataji, no need of that, Mataji. That is getting little harder. This pen that you select in the corner one, that one near the file, that one is easier.
They are not able to do it, Mataji.
Mataji, can I do it now? Shama.
Shama, okay, go ahead and try.
Mataji.
Choose the pen again.
No, Mataji got it. Come on, write it.
I don't know. It's not showing the color. I don't know. Because of the color, I don't know. We cannot see.
No, but Mataji, we can see the point is moving. The
I know, I
color
can
is
see
not
the
coming. She needs to press on it. She need to click there. Click there. Wherever you want to write, click it there. Click right click there. Yes, right click there. Yes.
Hey, can I do it? Now it's my turn, Vrinda.
Very good, Vrinda. Very good, Vrinda.
Now it's my turn.
Yes, come on, come to the end now.
Now let us end, okay? Because Mataji has now, she has to teach us the shloka.
Yes, good job. We got the chanting bag.
After so much trouble, the devotee finally got the chanting bag. Kids, we are just trying, okay, something new. I know it's all difficult for everybody, but we are all learning together, okay, so that we can do some fun activities. So let us, we'll try to do something once every week so that you can get used to it and Balram stop. Okay, so that you can also do. Okay, thank you. So let us now, let me stop this, Safa. Oh. Okay, thank you everybody. Now let us go to our Shatishutastakam.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Vrinda and Shama.
Yes, Vrinda.
Hare Krishna.
Vrinda Shama both friends, yeah?
Anjima Gopika Mataji will teach us.
Hare Krishna Mami.
Hari Bol. Now we'll learn this last verse of Satishutastakam, okay? Arunam Nayanam Charanam Basanam
Arunam
Arunam
Nayanam Vasunam
Badane Skalitam Namadharam Kurute Surasam Jagata Jibanam Kurute Surasam Jagata Jibanam Kurute. Can you repeat? Kurute Surasam Jagata Jibanam
Surasam
Pranamami Sachi Suta Gauravaram
Pranamami Sutta Gauravaram.
One more time and I will go to the rhyme. Okay. Arunam Vanadetam Swakanamadharam. Kurute surasam jagata jibanam.
Kurutu sucharam
Suras.
sajagami
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's his eyes, whole of his lotus feet and his clothing are reddish like a color that he, the rising sun, like a rising sun, okay? His dress, and he utters his own name. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. That's why he's uttering his own name, and his voice flatters. And he awakened a sweet flavor life throughout the universe. I bow down to the beautiful son of Mother
I'm going to
Satya.
take it. What? Mataji, you made
Yes.
this. Can I read the translation?
Yes, I already read. We can go to the rhyme today. Okay, Janavi? How many of you know this rhyme? This is
Me, Mataji. Me, Mataji.
if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Can you repeat? If you're happy and you know it, clap your
Clap your
hands.
hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know
And you know
it,
it,
down.
show. If you're happy and you know it, turn around.
If you're happy and you know it,
you
and you really
really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around.
if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If
If
you're
you're
happy
happy
and you
and
know
you know it, jump up high.
it,
Up high.
if you're happy and you know it,
You really, really want. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high.
if you're happy and you know it, yeah, wait, is that
If you're happy and you know it, wave your hands. If you're happy and you know it, wave your hands. If you're happy and you know it, really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, wave your hands.
if you're happy,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
you know, when you dance in the kirtan, you clap your hand, you jump, you wave your hand. Yes, you do all these things. I know, I saw all of you when you were chanting. I saw you were clapping, you were dancing. Now we have almost time for oh, we may not,
Mataji,
yes,
but we don't stomp our feet in kirtan.
sometime you do. I know that. Okay, you all can sing together. Mataji, can you go to the song?
And
We can
you,
all sing together. Okay, we'll not go to break room. We have only 2 minutes remaining. Can you sing? All of you sing the song Arunam Nayanam. Bhate Sakanamadharam Kurute Surasam the rhyme also one time. Okay, Mataji, we have one more time. You all can sing the rhyme also. Go ahead and sing.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, really show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, when you realize if you're happy and you know, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know, turn around. If you're happy and you know, when you really want to shout. If you're happy and you know, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know, jump up high. And if you want to wave your hand. If you're happy and you know, wave your hand. If you're happy and you know, when you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know, wave your hands. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Thank you so much. Now I can end the call. Vanchakalpatarvescha kripa sindhu.
Sindhu Bhayeva Cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.
माता जी हरे कृष्णा हरे श्याम रूपनी माता जी की जय हरे
Sanjana Gopika Mata ji ki jai.